Incoming storm here. As we can see, incoming storm. And it's going to start raining here soon. Dang. Windy storm. Really windy storm here. Yeah. But outflow. Surprised there's no severe warning on this storm. That's interesting. Crap. Fast moving storm here. Appears as though it's moving just south of us. That's how it appears it's moving.
Short-term forecast. Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, and Wayne. A small line of thunderstorms moving east-southeast at 30 miles per hour will produce heavy rain and cloud-to-ground lightning.
Ooh.
The thunderstorm will also produce wind gusts to 45 miles per hour as it moves through the area. The thunderstorm is expected to move east out of northern Summit County by 5:45 p.m., through Portage County by 6 p.m. into northeastern Stark and Mahoning counties by 6:30 p.m.
At 5 p.m.